Who is Francisco Balagtas? Francisco Balagtas is one of the most honored figures in Philippine literature, often referred to as the Prince of the Poets. He is best known for his epic narrative poem Florante at Laura, which is a masterpiece of Tagalog literature. Written in the traditional form of awit, it tells the story of love and patriotism set against a backdrop of war. Early life. Francisco Balagtas, also known as Francisco Baltazar, was born on April 2, 1788 in Bulacan. He came from a humble family and showed an early interest in poetry and literature. He studied under the renowned Filipino poet Jose de la Cruz, who became his mentor. Balagtas is celebrated for his innovative use of language and his ability to create complex themes into his work. Florante at Laura not only narrates a love story but also serves as a critique of the Spanish colonial government. Legacy. The Filipino literary tradition of Balagtasan, a form of poetic debate, was named after him. His influence continues to shape Filipino culture, particularly in the celebration of National Literature Month of other cultural events. Francisco Balagtas is a towering figure whose works are a cornerstone of Philippine heritage.